All right, insurance. So talk about three forms of insurance here. So your auto insurance, first off, you're going to need to cancel that, and not outright cancel it now. So this is where it depends on what you're doing. If you're selling your vehicle, then you can cancel the insurance once the vehicle is sold, because obviously you don't need to insure it at that point. But you definitely want to keep insurance on it until you sell it, and then just make, once it's sold, then contact your insurance company and cancel it. If you're not selling, if you're storing it, you don't need most of the insurance stuff, like liability and collision and what are all the, I can't remember right now, but there's just like five forms of insurance that everyone has. You don't need most of that. You do need comprehensive. Basically, if something happens, like a tree falls on it while it's stored somewhere, comprehensive will cover you in that situation. So, I had Geico. It was pretty easy to do via the app. You just go in there and change the insurance, and you strip it down to the minimum level. But basically, contact your insurance provider. Make sure, review your auto policy, see what you have now, and you likely want to just take it down. If you're storing it, you want to take it down to just comprehensive, and then obviously insure it for the value of the vehicle. All right, so that's auto insurance. Health insurance. Basically, you want to get your health insurance policy and see what is covered. Most likely, I think most of the plans that I looked at, I was under Blue Cross and Blue Shield when I was in the US. Domestic insurance rarely works on the road, but you'll need to read your health insurance policy and see what that says there. So check into that. I'm guessing that you're not going to be covered under your current insurance. So what you need to do is decommission your health insurance, and then again, this is all contingent on when you're leaving, so it really helps to know to firm that up. But basically, you're going to want to close down your current health insurance once you hit the road, but then you're going to need to also simultaneously before then purchase what's called traveler's insurance. And I will link to the ones that I looked at. There's a bunch out there, and they all just have different premiums, different coverage levels, and whatnot. I went with one, I believe it was called Atlas. So I'll link that in the notes once I dig up the exact policy there. But it was actually really reasonable. It kind of makes you realize how much of a sham health insurance is in the U.S. But I want to say it was maybe $600 for the whole year, right? So it's stupid cheap relative. But you're going to want to get traveler's insurance before you leave, and some places even whatever program you go with is going to insist on seeing your traveler's insurance before you can leave. So, right. So that's insurance. That covers all the topics, and now so we'll do one more video, just kind of recap everything and give you your homework for tomorrow.